Hey, my name is Alphas Sinja. I'm the founder and CEO at Boya. So at Boya, what we're doing here today is launching a corporate expense card that will help business manage all their expenses in one place. So with Boya, business will be able to save money, save time, and also be able to accelerate growth. So this is not just as a card, it's an innovation that will help businesses open up commerce, be able to handle all the expenses in one place. So that's it. Also, to launch Boya, we've partnered with Diamond Trust Bank, who will be helping us safeguard clients' funds. And we're also partnering with Visa, so Visa will be helping us able to do global payments. Yeah, so the advantage we have over others who are doing the same thing is first, we're offering abilities to manage all the expenses, whether you're making international payments, whether you're paying your suppliers, whether you're paying bills. So we're giving you one platform, you're able to do that and integrate with all your accounting systems, be able to make decisions faster. So our main advantage is being able to have one platform that handles everything.